In the medical device industry, I have seen one mistake repeated again and again. The biggest product mistake does not happen during the manufacturing. They happen much earlier when the product is still being imagined. Imagine a design review meeting. Someone says, "What if I add a LED ring around the control knob?" For the moment, everyone likes the idea. Then someone says, "Sir, that won't be possible." And another person add on, "Sir, even it was possible, the customer would never pay for it." And just like that, the idea disappeared without checking and without verifying. Later, the team discovers that the idea was completely feasible. The technology was already existed. The material were available. The manufacturing process was already well established. Companies across automotive industry, including Mercedes, BMW, have been using the similar technology for years. The technology was not the problem. The decision was. A decision made without knowing that was actually possible. And once an idea dies in that meeting, it rarely gets a second chance. So I often wonder how many good ideas are abandoned simply because nobody in the room knew what was actually possible.